Okay, nice to see you all here. You are very welcome to learn more about the Leden Group and our battery energy systems particularly. We will be talking many things about the subcontracting of battery energy systems and the framework that we have put together in order to manufacture these complicated system assemblies. No. Eikö sun pian?
Ei.
So we are the subcontracting manufacturer, so we really know the metal parts, and we have been doing the complex system assemblies for already 25 years with UPS systems, and also with battery energy storage systems. We started in 2022. Seuraava. Nyt lähdet. No niin, nyt lähdet. So Leden Group is a full-service contract manufacturer with roots in Finland and Estonia.
Hey, I'm sorry. This sounds quite boring, and so instead I would like to ask you questions.
Yes, please, sir. Go ahead.
So I have this new product. It's a battery cabinet system with lithium-ion batteries, and so can you tell me a bit why should I choose Leden to be my partner in this manufacturing?
Good question, sir. You should definitely choose Leden to be your partner in manufacturing the battery energy storage systems, because we have the knowledge and know-how of the total framework around the BESS systems. We have a long history with metal parts. We know them, and with system complex assemblies we have been doing for over 25 years with UPS systems, and with battery energy systems we started in 2022.
Okay, interesting. So who are your customers then? I guess you're playing with some small customers only, right?
No, we are dealing with many international customers that are operating in the global market. And I'd like to mention that when we talk about battery energy systems manufacturing, the main topics is usually the framework around it. And for example, we have put together the stock for storing these batteries, so we have totally figured out all the processes around it, and it's very complex, and we can store, for example, over 2,000 lithium-ion batteries.
All right. So that sounds a bit complex system you have there.
Yeah, at first it was that we have to take care of all the risk management, the safety topics, the dangerous goods matters, and of course with the logistics partner we need to negotiate, and we have to involve with the local municipalities and the fire department and the logistics partner, so to say.
Okay, so good. Can you shortly summarize still why should I choose you?
You should choose Leden because we are the expert in manufacturing these battery energy storage systems, and we have all the processes and the safety topics checked and cleared, and we can safely stock any type of batteries and taking care of the lifetime of the batteries.
Okay, thank you. Where are you located then? So, because I have customers in US, EU, some in South America, so can you deliver?
Yes. Currently, we have 3 factories in Finland and 1 in Estonia, but with the battery energy storage systems, we are manufacturing in Finland at the moment.
Oh, Mari.
We can deliver to Europe, US, South America, just to say, around the world. No problem.
Kalvo. Okay, so yeah, right. So Finland is there. It's quite close by, right?
Yes, Finland is close to a neighbor to Sweden and Norway. And we are located in nearby all the main transportation roads, and we have access to railroad and also the main ports in Helsinki, for example.
Okay, very good. So then, of course, we are talking about lithium-ion batteries in my case. So How do you take care of the dangerous goods and transportation and risks involved, and how do you trace the products?
Yeah, we have taken care of all the risk analysis and the safety measures and the regulations regarding the matters. So we really have done a lot of work in order to put them together. And we can trace all the products, so all the products are marked in the products that we can trace them.
All right. Okay. So then, how do you make sure that you're able to deliver on time?
The key topic in having good delivery capability is ensuring and securing the part availability. There are many factors, but the key is to commonly agree parts and materials to stock. And this is the way that your customers get your products in time, and we can stock the semi-finished and finished goods.
Okay.
And when we have the optimum amount of parts, we can make sure to have your products on time for your customers.
Okay. So, thank you. Then I have all the drawings ready for my product, and I plan to move ahead with candidates. And based on what I hear today, Leden could be one of the candidates. So, what would be the next steps, and when can I have my first batches?
Thank you, sir. You couldn't do a better decision. I will be your leading partner. The next step would be obviously that we proceed to the quotation process, and typically our quotations include also the cell design and all necessary matters, and the pricing, of course.
Okay, very good. Sounds well organized.
Thank you. And then we'll have the preliminary project plan with the ramp up, and this is typically 3 to 6 months with the 3-month ramp up process.
All right, right. Okay, so if we reach an agreement, so how is the production started then?
Okay, we will then point a person responsible for your account, and then of course we will learn our staff together with you to find the best practices and learn how to do the serial manufacturing, so everything will be done side by side together with you. And of course build the trust, and we are also very fun to work with.
Okay.
And very professional.
Okay, understand. So, but maybe I would like to discuss with your current customers to check, are you really who you say you are?
Yes, of course. I can give you some contacts so you can speak with them. So you will know that I'm not talking bullshit here all the time.
Yeah, all right. Thank you. I'll be in contact.
Thank you, sir. I look forward to discuss some more with you and any other you. So we are located in Hall D, so anyone just please come and join us for further discussions. And my name is Mari Huuki. I am the sales director of Leden Group, and my colleague here, the critical customer, is Mr. Pasi Sarkkinen, and he is the export and sales manager in Leden Group. And we are really aiming for the battery energy storage systems manufacturing. So thank you very much, all of you, to come here and listen. And I will now play a little video in order for you to get the better picture of our actions. Yes.
UPS system. So
Yes.
now we have today nickel cadmium. Sorry? Nickel cadmium batteries, yeah. Usually, and then, but in UPS systems they use like zinc, nickel zinc, and iron phosphate, or different types. like 10 different battery types that can be used. But usually now nickel cadmium. And in battery energy storage now lithium ion is booming. So, but lead batteries, yeah, we can, but not today. Yeah, yeah. Actually, I'm not sure if one of our models are using lead batteries. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, it goes round. Yeah.
Any more questions?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty close. Yeah, yeah, pretty close to Vaasa. So I should say about 2 hours from Vaasa. Yes. Okay.
Ah, yeah. Other side. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct. Easy access then.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what do you do in Finland? Do you build in Finland or Estonia?
Both countries, but this currently in Finland. Popular at the moment what we are doing, but also what is the other type?
To buy many, or is it okay with 5? Or what customers are you looking
Yeah.
for?
Usually we look for serial manufacturing. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
To then sell in Sweden?
Yes.
Yeah, but
yes.
we are the manufacturers. We don't have our own products at
Yeah.
all. We are the subcontractor.
Yes.
So we build the customer products. Yeah. Yeah.